Let's talk about RepairSuite's buy and sell feature. Managing your shop's inventory has never been easier. With RepairSuite's buy and sell feature, you can quickly purchase products and resell them all within a few clicks. Let me show you how. First, from the left sidebar, I'll go ahead and click on Buy. This is where I can see a list of all the products I have purchased so far. But right now I want to add a new product. So I'll click Add New Product from the top right corner. Now, before anything else, I need to add a seller because of course I need to record where I'm getting this product from. There are two ways to do this. I can either add a seller from the seller menu on the left sidebar or simply do it right here while adding the product. To keep things simple and quick, I'll go with the second option. I'll click Add New next to the seller field and a form pops up. Here I'll fill the details I need to select an identification document for the seller. For the ID type, I'm going to choose passport and I will attach the image of the passport. I can attach a postcode or add a note for the customer. I'm going to keep them blank and hit submit. And just like that, the seller is saved. Now I can select the seller from the drop-down. Alright, time to add the product details. Let's say I'm purchasing a Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'll type that in. And next up is the IMEI number, which by the way should always be 15 or 16 digits only. Now there's also a serial number field here. But since I don't have one for this product, I'll just leave it empty. Next, I'll set the status to available and update the payment status. I have selected the status paid because I have already paid the seller. My purchase price 400 euros and the selling price is going to be 500 euros. Well, we need to make a profit, right? I'll also add an image of the product. Right after the image, there's a field for fault. But in this case, there are no major issues, so I'll leave that field blank. Now let's move on to some key details. The model is Z Fold 6 and the manufacturer is Samsung. The supported network is 5G. Before buying any phone, you should always check if it has been factory reset and whether all user accounts have been removed. In my case, I've already done that, so I'll mark both as yes. Next, let's add a few more details. The condition is used. Face ID and fingerprint both are working. Screen condition. No major issues, only a minor scratch. The OS version is Android 15. The color is black. Physical location. I am keeping the phone in rack number 2. If I want, I can add another physical location right from here. The battery health is 90%. The RAM is 12 GB and the storage is 256 GB. If I have any supporting documents, I can upload them here as well. Alright, everything looks good. So I'll go ahead and click Add. And that's it. The product is now in my inventory, ready to be sold. Super easy, right? Time to sell our product. Now that we have added our product, let's sell it. There are two ways to do this. We can go to Sell and process the sale from here. Or we can use the pause sale, which gives us a quick, streamlined way to sell products. I am going with pause sale because it's fast and efficient. Once I'm here, I see a list of all available products. I'll simply click on the product I want to sell. You can select multiple products, but for now, I'm just selling the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Next, I have the option to add tax. But in my case, there are no tax, so I can select 0 VAT. I can also apply a discount. Let's provide a discount of €5. Now I need to add a customer. I can either search for an existing customer or add a new one. Let's say that my customer is Dave. I'll quickly add him to the system. Now time for a final check. Everything looks good, so I am going to hit checkout. A summary pop-up appears. This is my last chance to review all the details. Now let's set the payment status to paid. For the payment method, I can choose between cash, card, and bank transfer. In this case, I'll go with cash. If needed, I can also add a note for reference. And that's it. I am going to click checkout and the sale is complete. If I want, I can go to the invoice page for this sale. And I can print it. And in the dashboard page, the total resale purchase amount and the total resale amount will be updated. Just like that, I have successfully sold a product using RepairSuite's POS sale.